It's a beautiful weather out. I hope you're keeping safe where you are. Yeah. Today is a beautiful another one of our beautiful yeah sessions. We're going to be walking you through how we made one of our bespoke pieces. Okay, so this is we call them together. It's a set as a top and a skirt, a mini skirt, a mini motif skirt, right? I'll get to that later, but I want to start with the top. Now, this top was made using mesh stitches, two different kinds of mesh stitches. The mesh stitches here are single crochet stitches separated by a chain, and then the mesh stitches here are single crochet stitches separated by two chains. And then down here we have V stitches, right? We have V stitches, double crochet stitch, V stitches, and hounds V stitch. That's something I made up myself. I'll walk you through it when I get there. But yeah, before I get all the way there, are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet. We walk you through how we made one of our own bespoke pieces. We demystify what one celebrity or another wore. We talk patterns, we draw patterns, we modify patterns, we anything crochet you can find all up on our channel. So do well to subscribe. Now, we have our galleries up on Instagram, right? Our wedding day apparel, you can find those at Makisode Weddings. And then for our accessories, casual wear, corporate wear, you find those at Makisode Models. Do well to follow, do well to like, do well to leave a nice comment, and do well to share our content. All right, so back to our set. We call it the Olympia set, right? We call this set the Olympia set. Okay, so yeah, it's a black top, yeah, black peplum base top, right? Sleeveless top here, and then a beaded neckline. You can see that beaded neckline. Okay, so where did we start from? We started with this part right here. This is the bust area. This bust area starts from around the armpit to the to underneath the bust area, which is like the diaphragm. So that's where this starts from. You can give it about 2 or 3 inches below the diaphragm, right? So from the armpit area to about 2 or 3 inches below the diaphragm. What did we do? We walk that length, right? So you can choose to walk vertically, right? Or you can choose to walk horizontally, whichever one works for you. So, but we worked this way. So our foundation chain is here. Yeah, it's right there. So we walked this way, came back around and slipped this up. All right, sewed this up before we came to work up. Remember that I said that this is single crochet mesh stitches, and then the chain spaces are just one. But here the chain spaces are two. We did that because we wanted it to snap in, for the chest area, right? So yeah, single crochet stitches, but separated by two chains. As you can see, it's a lot more meshy than this part. Okay, and then for the sleeves, yeah, we maintained what we had here, but we gave it a good post. So two single crochet posts, two chains, two single crochet posts. All right, so 6 stitches is what we used all together. Two single crochets this way, two chains, two single crochet stitches this way, just to give it that full feel. All right, that's what we did for the straps. Okay, and then down here, when we're done with this part, we came back around to work the peplum axis. How did we do this? V stitches, like I mentioned earlier. So as you can see, you have the double crochet V stitches. You can see that double crochet V stitch right there. Let me put my hand underneath so that you can see it clearly. So you have your V stitch. This is the double crochet V stitch, and then right into that V stitch we worked single crochet, double crochet V. So a single crochet here, a chain, and then a double crochet. That's how we worked this. So we alternated the normal double crochet V stitch, our hound V stitch, double crochet V stitch, hound V stitch, like that. We kept alternating to achieve this. So now for the peplum, right, you are going to have to find 4 exact points on your garment, be it a top, be it a dress, whatever it is you're creating. If you want to have this peplum look feel, you're going to have to find 4 spots. So what we did were 2 spots up front and 2 spots at the back. That's where we inserted our increases, right? We inserted our increases, yeah. So in every say every 3 rows, yeah, yeah, every 3 rows we increased at the V stitch row, the double crochet V stitch row. That's where we worked our increases, and that's what formed this peplum look, right? And then we edged using single crochet stitch and chain stitches just to give it that wavy look. That's it. It's a really simple top to work. You want to work this in a dress, you can totally do that. You want to give it longer sleeves, you can totally do that. And then we beaded. I've shown us a couple of times, yeah, or we have videos on how we bead. That's exactly what I used here. I didn't go gangster. It's just a simple method of surface stitching from the back. If you surface stitch from the back, you achieve this. So that's about it. That's about it for the top. Okay. So yeah, do let me know. Is there any part, yeah, that's confusing? Yeah, ask in the comments, and then I will explain that to you. So let me move right into the skirt. Okay, so here we are. This is our Olympia set skirt. So how did we make this? This is really simple. What's most visible to you is the granny stitch. You have the granny square right here and then the granny stitch down here. So what did we do? We created motifs, right? I'm going to attach a video on how we created this particular motif, but I'm sure you know how to create a granny square, yeah, because this is a granny square, granny square, granny square, granny square. But this particular one, there's a video on how we created this motif. I'm going to attach it to this video. So what did we do? Measurement, right? The individual's hip, you're going to need that. And then that's how you're going to be creating your squares. So we needed 8 squares all around to attain this individual's hip. 8 squares all around to attain this hip. And then for the length, right, this is a mini skirt. So this is about, it measures about I think 16 inches in total, right? So yeah, this is for the hip area, the widest area. And then we had to work up this part. What did we use? The granny stitches to keep it same, to keep it same, to keep it similar, to keep it, to have that flow. From the granny stitch here, you can see the granny stitch just continues. Granny stitch, if you're unfamiliar, just 3 double crochet stitches, clusters. That's what granny stitches essentially are. And then as we walked up, yeah, in order for us to successfully snatch this, what we did was we did mesh stitches, single crochet mesh stitches first of all, and then we attach this elastic band. You know how clearly you can see that here? We attach this elastic band, we just sewed in and tied it up. But you use the same color, color similar to what you use for your dress, and it will, for the skirt, and it will snap in nicely. We continued down here, yeah, to give the skirt, this wholesome look. Whatever it is we did here just to give it that wholesome look. And then at the end of the length, we edged with this, I'd call it a granny stitch edging, right, where you have 3 double crochet stitches, and then you slip stitch between 2 granny clusters, and then do another 3 double crochet stitches, and then slip stitch in between a granny cluster, right? That's it. It's really simple thing, a really simple technique, simple skirt to work. Yeah. If you need it, I'm gonna attach a link on how we did this sewing, the sewing of our motifs together. Yeah, we had to do that. So I'm gonna attach that particular video too, so that you see it and you get a wholesome tutorial for this particular item. So we made it go gangster. Yeah, we call it the Olympia set. Yeah, this is sporty. It looks, for it to look sporty, we attached these tassels. We didn't make it, they're not loud tassels, they're just simple, not intrusive. Yeah, so just simply attached right there to the sides, and that's it for the skirt. So the Olympia set done. Like I said, for the blouse, if you have a question, if there's any part that's unclear, ask us in the comments and we would let you know. Now, on the other hand, you love the set so much but you do not have the time to work it, right? You can also let us know and we will do it for you for a token. Oh yes, we will work the Olympia set for you, whether it be it the skirt or the top or both of them together. We will work them for you for a token. So do let us know. But on the other hand, you can totally learn this for free from what we have just explained. Thank you so much for